The notion in saying that the world lives on coffee is wrong.
Huh?
Not having sufficient sleep is a recipe for disaster. Lack of enough sleep deprives you of rest and energy. Lack of sleep can cause reduced concentration, a weak immune system, and even predispose you to chronic diseases. While there is no fixed number of hours of healthy sleep, adults should aim for 7 to 8 hours of shut-eye every night, while children should sleep 11 to 14 hours. Healthy sleep boosts your mood and immune system, and improves your emotional well-being. The benefits of adequate sleep far outweigh the downsides. Therefore, getting sufficient hours of it is paramount for good health. Now, how do you go about sleeping correctly? Good question. These sleep guidelines here will focus on sleep science and help you discover the right sleeping time for energy, optimal performance, and a blissful day. The importance of sleep for rest and energy. Sleep is a timeout power-up. When sleeping, your body orchestrates a symphony of restoration. During restoration, your muscles rebuild, your brain solidifies your memories, and hormones restock your energy reserves. Lack of it degrades your focus, clouds your thinking, and makes even the simplest tasks seem extremely difficult. In a 2017 study published in Nature Neuroscience, researchers confirmed that lack of sleep hampers memory formation. Likewise, a JAMA Network study in 2021 linked increased depression to chronic sleep disturbance. Consequently, with all this scientific evidence, we can affirm that sleep, a biological necessity, is key to enjoying a healthy life. What is considered to be a healthy sleep? Getting enough sleep hours is beneficial to our health. For sleep to be healthy, it should be 7 to 8 hours every night for adults and 11 to 14 hours for children. According to the Sleep Foundation, short sleeping hours may be detrimental to brain functions, impacting cognitive performance and focus. Unhealthy sleep, which involves sleeping less than the recommended time, may also lead to chronic diseases and other health risks. Age, gender, health conditions, and genetics are factors that affect the amount and quality of sleep. For instance, men need slightly fewer hours of sleep than women, who are prone to sleep disturbances and insomnia due to biological factors and hormone imbalances. Chronic pain, neurological disorders, and mental health conditions can also cause disruptions in sleep patterns and can lead to sleep disturbances. Quality versus quantity of sleep. The measure of adequate sleep is in the quality and less in the quantity. Sleep quality refers to how well you sleep, and various factors can influence this. Sleep continuity. How many awakenings or interruptions did you have within your 7 to 8 hours of sleep? When our sleep is frequently interrupted or disrupted, our sleep cycle becomes fragmented, negatively impacting our health. Sleep stages. Sleep has 4 stages. A good night's sleep is one where you go through all the stages seamlessly. Freshness when you wake up. How do you feel when you wake up? Quality sleep needs to leave you feeling revitalized rather than cloudy. The main stages of sleep for a good night's rest. The best way to describe quality sleep is a multi-room mansion waiting for you to explore it fully. It is this way because sleep happens in stages, known as NREM, which stands for non-rapid eye movement, and it encompasses the 4 stages of sleep. It is characterized by a thought-like mental activity with little to no eye movement. The 4 stages are as follows. NREM 1. This is when you close your eyes and drift off. Your muscles relax, and your brain slows down. It lasts 1 to 7 minutes and ushers you into a deeper sleep. NREM 2. Stage 2 entails easing of heart rate and breathing. Your body temperature also drops, and the brain waves move slower than in Stage 1. Most of your sleep time happens here, and it encourages tissue growth and muscle repair. NREM 3. At Stage 3, the brain waves have an identifiable slower pattern, known as delta waves. In this phase, your world fades away and muscles get limp, and you become more challenging to wake up. At this stage, muscle reparation occurs. At the same time, our bodies release growth and immunity hormones. NREM4. It's a 10 to 60 minute phase when brain activity surges and mimics wakefulness. Under your eyelids, your eyes dart, and dreams happen. At stage 4, your memories solidify, cognitive skills sharpen, and emotions are processed. Here are 5 sleep hygiene tips to help you get good sleep. A lack of sleep causes several physical and mental problems. Nonetheless, you can do the following to boost your sleep hygiene and have quality sleep. Have a sleeping schedule. Have a routine of retiring to bed and waking up at the same time daily. By doing so, you regulate your natural sleep-wake cycle, and afterward you can sleep and wake up rejuvenated. Prep your bedroom. A quality sleep-inviting bedroom should be quiet, cool, and dark to create a relaxing environment for quality sleep. Invest in blackout curtains, a fan or AC, and earplugs. Regular exercise. Being fit helps one to fall asleep faster and soundly. Avoid vigorous exercise, however, before bedtime, as this can hinder sleep. Wind down before going to bed. Take time off your television, computer, or phone for a few minutes before bedtime. Try to relax by listening to calm music, reading, or taking a warm bath. Avoid caffeine. Coffee affects sleep. You should avoid it in the late afternoon or evenings before bedtime. The same goes for all caffeinated beverages. Imagine waking up every morning feeling energized and refreshed, ready to tackle the day ahead. Sounds amazing, right? Well, the secret to achieving this is by embracing healthy sleep habits. Time to take control of your sleep schedule and empower yourself to feel your best every day. This is it for this episode of Fancied Facts. Click the like button, make sure you're subscribed, and turn on the notification bell to get our latest informative uploads. Take care and enjoy your day.